Matter start after 3 seconds. Start. Money laundering is the process of concealing the source of money obtained by illegal means such as embezzlement, insider trading, bribery, trafficking, or terrorist activity. The process of converting illegal or unclean money into legal or clean money is referred to as money laundering. Most financial companies have anti-money laundering policies in place to detect and prevent these activities. Money laundering is a very important step in the success of drug trafficking and terrorist activities. Most people who financially support terrorist organizations do not provide the funds directly to the terrorist group. They send the money in roundabouts ways by maintaining anonymity. Dealing in large amount of illegal cash is generally inefficient, so criminals need a way to deposit the money in financial institution so that it can be shown legal. The process of money laundering usually involves in three steps. First, placement, second, layering, and third, integration. In the first step, dirty money is put into the legitimate financial system. Layering conceals the source of the money through a series of transactions. In the final step, integration, laundered money is withdrawn from the legitimate account. The rise of online banking institutions, online payment services, and transfer with mobile phones have made detecting the illegal money transfer even more difficult. Money can also launched through online auctions and sales, gambling websites, and virtual gaming sites where money can be converted into gaming currency, then back into real unable clean money. The newest form of money laundering involves cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies are being used in drug trade, blackmailing, and other criminal activities which impact the society negatively. Money laundering damages financial institutions that are critical for economic growth, promoting crime and corruption that slow economic growth, reducing efficiency in the economy. Prevention of Money Laundering Act forms the core of the legal framework to combat money laundering activities in India. Both international and domestic government need to come together to eliminate the problem of money laundering from our country. Over.